Hello everyone, I'm Dingge. Our project is to analyze the dataset of chocolates, and we will use machine learning to predict the chocolate bar ratings. In our group, there are 4 people. They will show up later. We choose our dataset chocolate bar rating in the Kaggle website. And our presentation consists of 6 parts. The first part is introduction. Chocolate is one of the most popular candies in the world. The worldwide consumption of chocolate every year is estimated to be at least 7.2 million metric tons, so chocolate has a big business market. However, in fact, we cannot judge the quality of the chocolate from its package. More importantly, even the same production batch, not all the chocolate bars are created equally. For this reason, it is meaningful to analyze the chocolate bar rating.
Hey everybody, I'm Zhang Xuchun. I will introduce you about the dataset that we use. This dataset contains expert ratings of over 1,700 individual chocolate bars, along with information on their regional origin, percentage of cocoa, the variety of cocoa chocolate bean, and where the beans were grown. The rating system that used in this dataset contains 5 levels. From 1 to 5, they represent respectively unpleasant, disappointing, satisfactory, premium, and elite. I have to mention that each chocolate is evaluated from a combination of both objective qualities and subjective interpretation. The rating here only represents an experience with one bar from one batch. Batch numbers, vintages, and the review dates are included in the database when known. Second one is that this database is narrowly focused on plain dark chocolate with an aim of appreciating the flavors of the cocoa when made into chocolate. The ratings do not reflect health benefits, social missions, or organic status. This rating system have 5 criteria to obtain the final result. First one, flavor is the most important component of the flavors of cocoa ratings. Diversity, balance, intensity, and purity of flavors are all considered. It is possible for a straightforward single-note chocolate to rate as high as a complex flavor profile that changes throughout. Genetic, terroir, post-harvest techniques, processing, and storage can all be discussed when considering the flavor of cocoa. Aftermath is the experience after the chocolate has melted. Higher quality chocolates will linger and be long and lasting and enjoyable. Since the aftermath is the last impression you get from the chocolate, it receives equal importance in the overall rating. The third important is the texture. Texture has a great impact on the overall experience, and it is also possible for texture-related issues to impact flavor. It is a good way to evaluate the mark region, attention to detail, and the level of pretension.
Hello, I'm Chen Shengwei. Now I will present acknowledgement.
This ranking and this dataset were compiled by the Manhattan Chocolate Society. This society is dedicated to connecting different brands' chocolate data in the USA and Canada market. In this data, it is constructed by 2017 and collected over 15 countries and over 400 companies' chocolate data. And we can see that each bar has 9 attributes. It contains companies, bar name, reference, review data, cocoa percent, company's location and ranking, and B type and bean origin. And so, what is our major goal and the technical goal? Our major goal is to build a classifier which receives chocolate attributes as input and give the rate value as output. We needed to find which attributes play an important role in this data set and which country's beans is the most high quality. And our technical goal is to process and integrate existing datasets and to analyze and visualize the attribute strengths and feature and the confluence among them. We will use the R language to perform multi-level analysis of more than 1,800 individual cases in the dataset, including the average value, variance, the relationship between 2 attributes and between multiple attributes, and finally produce a visual result.
Hello everyone, my name is Mulin. Now I will show you the main steps which we will do for achieving our goal. First of all, we must pre-process the data. For example, from this image we can see there are many missing values in the attribute bean type, like this and this. We know there are many ways to refill the missing values for the attributes of type numeric, such as using the mean value instead. But the type of the attribute bean type is string, so we must find the proper way to deal with the string missing values. What's more, we also want to change the type of value in order to analyze the data better. For example, we want to change the type of cocoa percent to numeric. After that, we will use boxplot and histogram like this and this to analyze the single attribute. Next, we will use the matrix plots like this to analyze the relationships between 2 different attributes. After that, we will find the attributes which play the leading role in rating, and then we will use the right attributes as a training set to train a classifier to predict the rating value of the chocolate. Finally, we will build a UI like this based on Shengwei. After planning the project, we find that a good pre-processing is the basis of data analysis, and visualization makes our analysis process easier. That's all. Thank you very much.